Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Spanish Town Hospital. Now this hospital is going to be renovated. The process has actually started. The government is spending $5.5 billion to rebuild this hospital into a more modern structure. It's going to have some high-rise towers as part of the project. So the government is going has five basically major mega hospital projects in Jamaica. This is one of the five. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government is doing out here at the Spanish Town Hospital. Residents of St. Catherine and surrounding parishes are set to receive improved healthcare services as the government is investing $5.5 billion to redevelop the Spanish Town Hospital. The multi-billion-dollar project will usher in a transformed environment for both patients and staff, with the 430-bed hospital operating in a new state-of-the-art six-story facility spanning more than 17,000 square meters. Services to be expanded at the hospital are urology, oncology, cardiology, gastroenterology, ophthalmology, and psychiatry. Ophthalmology and psychiatry. It will be equipped with cutting-edge technology including electronic access to patients' medical records. The development is to make available a reliable and modern infrastructure for health service delivery, a goal articulated in the Ministry of Health and Wellness's Vision for Health 2030 10-year strategic plan. Dubbed the redevelopment of the Spanish Town Hospital, the project is being implemented by the government through financial support from the Inter-American Development Bank (IDB). A total of US $148 million has been allocated for the health system's strengthening program, with the government committing US $87 million. The 70-year-old hospital is the largest Type B medical facility in the island. The new building will include an accident and emergency wing on the ground, alongside an ambulance bay, triage and consultation rooms, and lounge areas for medical staff. The ground floor will also feature the radiology department, equipped with MRI, X-ray, and CT scan rooms, among other diagnostic services. An outpatient department, an endoscopy unit, a surgical suite, and an intensive care unit will also form part of the redeveloped facility. 6 operating theaters, multiple general wards, and special wards, including isolation rooms, will be in the facility. There will be a separate wing for laboratory services, including immunology, hematology, and serology, and a blood collection center. The hospital sees the second highest number of newborn deliveries in Jamaica, with service in this area enhanced by a neonatal intensive care unit set up in August 2019. The unit has the capacity to hold 40 babies and sees an average of 1,200 babies per year. It also has a maternity unit that houses an operating theater, labor ward, postnatal ward, and an antenatal ward. Portfolio Minister Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton said the massive investment at the hospital is for the many thousands of people who rely on its services. The government of Jamaica is determined to transform the health system for patients and their families, but also critically for the health staff who make it possible to deliver care to the many thousands who visit this and other facilities island-wide. He added at the recent groundbreaking ceremony for the new hospital. This project is transformative in many ways, he said, underscoring that it is critical to motivate health staff and get their best output. Chief of Operations of the IDB, Lorenzo Esconar, said the expansion of the building and the medical services at the hospital represent a key moment for the population, and it will provide accessible and high quality hospital services and addresses some of the current issues and meet a rising demand for care in the area. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article on the Spanish Town Hospital. So big things. This is what you call a mega development. And it's one of 5 major hospital projects on the way in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.